Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your email on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now, tap on Account Center at the top, scroll down to the Account Settings section and select Personal Details. Here, tap on Contact Info. You'll see your current email address, then select Add Email. Enter your new email address and choose which Facebook account you want to link it to. After that, tap Next to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email on Facebook. If you want to remove your old email, just go back to Contact Info, tap on the old email, and select Remove. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this helped and subscribe for more quick tutorials.